Hello, it's me. Welcome to my channel, and today we are going to talk about bear. That's right, the bear. The bear is one of the most recognizable and beloved animals in the world. They are strong and fierce, but also cuddly and cute. So let's take a closer look at these amazing creatures. Here are 10 interesting facts about bear. Number 1. There are 8 species of bear. I didn't know that there was more than one species of bear. I just always assumed that there was only the brown bear and then the polar bear. But no, there are actually 8 different types of bears. These are the American black bear, the Asiatic black bear, the brown bear, the giant panda, the sloth bear, the spectacled bear, the sun bear, and the polar bear. Each of these bears has its own unique characteristics and adaptations. For example, the giant panda is known for its distinctive black and white fur and its love of bamboo, while the polar bear is the largest land predator on Earth and is perfectly adapted for life in the Arctic. Number 2. Bears can be found all over the world. If you're like me, you might think of bears as living in cold, snowy places like the North Pole or the mountains of Canada. And while some species of bears do live in these types of environments, bears can actually be found in a variety of habitats all over the world. For example, sloth bears live in the jungles of India and Sri Lanka, while sun bears can be found in the tropical forests of Southeast Asia. Giant pandas live in the mountainous regions of China, and spectacled bears can be found in the Andes Mountains of South America. No matter where they live, all bears are well adapted to their environment and are perfectly suited to survive in their particular habitat. 3. Bears are generally solitary animals. When you imagine a bear, you might picture a mother bear with her cubs. But in general, bears are actually quite solitary animals. They prefer to be on their own and only come together during mating season, or when a mother is with her cubs. This is because bears are large, powerful predators, and they need a lot of space to hunt and gather food. They can travel long distances each day in search of food, and they need plenty of room to roam. Additionally, bears are generally not very social animals, and they don't have much need to interact with other bears. They communicate with each other through scent marking and vocalizations, but they don't form social bonds like other animals do. 4. Bears are incredibly powerful animals. We all know that bears are strong, but just how powerful are they? Well, the brown bear is one of the most powerful species of bear, and it is known for its incredible strength. It can weigh up to 1,500 pounds and can run up to 30 miles per hour. It also has sharp claws and teeth that it uses to catch and eat its prey. Polar bears are even more massive and can weigh up to 2,000 pounds. They are also excellent swimmers and can travel long distances in the water, no matter what species of bear. These animals are all incredibly powerful and should not be messed with. 5. Bears have excellent senses. In addition to their size and strength, bears also have excellent senses that help them to survive in their environment. Their sense of smell is particularly keen, and they can use it to find food from miles away. They can also hear very well and have excellent night vision. These senses allow them to hunt effectively and avoid predators. Bears are also very agile and can climb trees with ease. This allows them to escape from danger or to get a better vantage point when they raid looking for food. Overall, the bear's senses are a key part of what makes them such successful predators. 6. Bears have a varied diet. Most people think of bears as being meat eaters, but the truth is that they have a varied diet that can include plants, berries, fish, insects, and small animals. Some species of bear, like the giant panda, are primarily herbivores and spend most of their time eating bamboo. Other bears, like the polar bear, are carnivores and hunt seals and other marine animals. And still, other bears, like the brown bear, are omnivores and will eat both plants and animals. No matter what they eat, bears need a lot of food to stay healthy. They can consume up to 20 hours a day and can eat more than 100 pounds of food in a single sitting. 7. Bears have thick, dense fur. One of the most striking things about a bear is its thick, dense fur. This fur helps to keep them warm in cold climates and also acts as camouflage in their natural environment. The fur of a bear is made up of 2 layers. A soft underfur that helps to trap heat and a longer outer fur that repels water, protects against the elements. The color of a bear's fur can vary depending on its species and habitat. For example, brown bears can range in color from blonde to chocolate to black, while polar bears have white fur that helps them to blend in with the snow. No matter what the color, all bear fur is thick and luxurious, making these animals some of the cuddliest on the planet. 8. Bears are excellent mothers. When it comes to their young, bears are incredibly protective and nurturing mothers. A mother bear will typically give birth to 1 to 3 cubs, and she will care for them until they are old enough to fend for themselves. She will teach them how to find food, how to avoid predators, and how to survive in their environment. Mother bears are known for their fierce protectiveness and will do anything to keep their cubs safe. They will attack any perceived threat and will not rest until their cubs are out of danger. 9. Bears can live for many years. The average lifespan of a bear in the wild is between 20 and 30 years, but some bears have been known to live much longer in captivity. Bears can live up to 40 or 50 years. This is thanks to their relatively low metabolic rate, which allows them to conserve energy and live longer than other animals of similar size. Bears are also less prone to age-related diseases, and this also contributes to their long lifespan. 10. Bears are endangered. Unfortunately, many species of bear are endangered due to habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. For example, the polar bear is threatened by climate change, which is causing the ice caps to melt and destroying their habitat. The giant panda is also endangered due to habitat loss and poaching, as well as a low birth rate. All of these factors have put the giant panda on the brink of extinction. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these animals in their habitat and to ensure that they do end up extinct. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.